You've got to recognise that we are here to help the students. We're not here, for any other reason in Year 1 in the teaching teams. That's what it's all about, and making sure the students deliver what they're capable of. In school, college, they've been totally driven by what the teacher put in front of them. And if we're not careful when they come to university, in a traditional university environment, it becomes totally student-centred and they're left on their own to move their own learning forward, and too many students fail at that point. That transitional jump is too big if you don't structure it and look after the student, and that's the important thing. And in many ways, that's what the main emphasis has been here at Nottingham in chemical and environmental engineering over the last 4 or 5 years, to try and make sure we support the students through that transition.
Well, all the lecturers' doors were always open. We could always go to our design lecturer. He was more than happy to help us out with any meeting we arranged with him. We managed to see him. So yeah, so help was always there. It's getting that teamwork between you so that they know they can ask questions of you. You can interact with them in terms of pushing them to make sure that they are working at the highest level that they can.
It's quite tough, but it pushes you, but I feel like a lot cleverer now. So.
3 things. Right. Can expect that they are going to get a quality education, which is going to start them off on their road to being an engineer, which will have elements of design in, which is going to be very important for them. It will have elements of the standard core engineering subjects that we would expect to see chemical engineers being able to do, heat, mass transfer. It's going to have thermodynamics, chemistry. That's one. We're going to provide the correct content for them. 2, the environment's going to be good. If you look around here, the laboratory facilities and things are excellent, as are many of the teaching facilities as well. So the facilities are good, and the use of IT is good here as well for them. So those are 2 important things. And the 3rd thing is they're going to have the confidence of working with the staff that they've got. They will understand that they can interact with the staff. There's no barriers, there are no doors that are closed, and I think that's very, very important for Year 1 students in that terms of that transition. So I think for me those are the 3 key features.